Hey everyone! In this video we will show you the basics of using viewer mode on your phone in VIVE Sync. You can find the VIVE Sync viewer mode app in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Just search for VIVE Sync. Download to install it and you're good to go. You can also download the app via the VIVE Sync website. To move around using viewer mode, tap on the ground where you want to go. Now touch and hold the screen and drag to look around. Next, we will show you how to sit and stand with your avatar. Click the Sit Stand button to make your avatar sit down. A chair will automatically appear under them. Then, just click the Sit Stand button again to stand up. When other people cast their content to the big screen or make a window public, you can press the Shared Content button to show a list of all publicly shared windows and content. Press the content you want to see and it will be displayed in full screen. You can quickly switch to other shared content using the arrow buttons. When you're done, click X to end display mode. I think that's it. Enjoy VIVE Sync.